Subscribe my channel Said by Tech, and now we are going to discuss 30 plus MCQ type questions as I have discussed in my videos. Now the question number 1, in mammals the digestion of a starch starts from. Question number 2, vermiform appendix is a part of. Question number 3, in mammalian body the largest gland is. Question number 4, the major site of protein digestion is. Question number 5, which of the following is not a function of liver? Each MCQ type questions has given 4 options. You have to select one correct answer and match it with the table of the answers which has given below the video in the last. Now I am going to start my video. The performer of the question has given above, just like question number 1, in mammals the digestion of a starch starts from. Question number 2, vermiform appendix is a part of. Question number 3, in mammalian body the largest gland is. Question number 4, the major site of protein digestion is. And question number 5, which of the following is not a function of liver? These 5 are typical type of questions which along with another questions I have to discuss in this video. Now question number 1, in mammals the digestion of starch starts from. Option number A, mouth. Option number B, stomach. Option number C, esophagus. And option number D, duodenum. In mammals the digestion of starch starts from the mouth. As we know, the digestion starts from the mouth, and the digestion of the starch, that is the carbohydrate, a complex type of carbohydrate, is digested in the mouth in presence of the enzyme ptyalin or salivary amylase, which convert the starch into maltose. So the option number B is the correct answer for the question number 1. In mammals, the digestion of starch starts from mouth. Now, the question number 2, vermiform appendix is a part of. This is the part of the intestine. It is a vestigial organ and it is found in the reduced form attached to the intestine. Next question, in mammal's body the largest gland is. Question number 3, option number A, pancreas. Option number B, liver. Option number C, parotid. And option number D, submaxillary. Here the option number B is the correct answer. Liver is the largest gland. And if you talk about the largest endocrine gland, then it will be thyroid gland, as I have discussed before. Some questions may be repeated in our videos because the pattern of the questions revised again and again, and some questions have been repeated. So please revise the video again and again. It will be very beneficial for you. So the option number B is the correct answer for the question number A. Liver is the largest gland. Now question number 4, the major site of the protein digestion is. Option number B, that is the stomach, is the major site of the protein digestion. Or we may say that the digestion of protein starts from the stomach, just like the digestion of the starch or the carbohydrate starts from the mouth. So you will have to remember such facts. Now the question number 5, which of the following is not a function of the liver? That is Option number B, production of insulin is not a function of the liver, it is a function of the pancreas, as we know. And pancreas is a mixed gland in which islets of Langerhans has three types of cells, and alpha cells secretes insulin. Insulin is a hormone which is secreted by the pancreas, that is the islets of the Langerhans, and that is the alpha cells. Now the question number 6. The digestive enzyme which is not found in the human pancreatic juice is. Now answer number nucleotidase is not found in the pancreatic juice which is secreted from the endocrine part of the pancreas and helps in the digestion in intestine of the alimentary canal. Next question, question number 7. Which cell produce gastric enzyme? Option number C, chief cells produce gastric enzyme. Question number 8. HCl of gastric juice is produced by the HCl hydrochloric acid of gastric juice is produced from the augmentic cells, and we know the function of the HCl. It kills the germs, it converts the medium acidic in stomach, and it also activates the pepsinogen enzyme in active pepsin, which digests the protein. Now, the question number 9, HCl of the gastric juice. Option number B, inactivates styrene and activates pepsin, as I have discussed just above the in question. Next question, question number 10. HCl present in the gastric juice converts. Question number 10, as option number A is correct answer, pepsinogen to pepsin, as I have discussed in the above question, but the pattern of the questions are different. So I have gathered all types of questions which may be asked in the digestion process which takes place in the stomach. Now, next question, question number 11. If pancreas is removed, the compound which remains undigested is carbohydrate. Insulin hormone which digests the sugar, that is the carbohydrate. So, if pancreas is removed, the compound which remains undigested is carbohydrate. Next question, question number 12. Which of the following does not produce any digestive enzyme? This is the question number 12. Option number B is correct answer. Liver doesn't produce any digestive enzyme. It produces bile, which is not a digestive enzyme. It helps in the emulsification of the fat. Next question, question number 13. Trypsin is secreted by. Trypsin is a type of enzyme and it is secreted by the pancreas, where the option number B, C and D are the endocrine glands which secretes hormone, as you know. Now, so the answer option number A is correct answer for the question number 13. Now, question number 14. Which of the following enzyme digests protein in the stomach? Then the answer number B is the correct answer. Pepsin is the enzyme which digests protein in the stomach, as we know that pepsin is activated by the HCl from the pepsinogen and which digests protein in the stomach, and as we know digestion of protein is also start from the stomach, whereas the digestion of the starch start from the Mouth, that is the digestion of carbohydrate. Start from the mouth. Now, question number 15. Name the functional unit of the absorption of the digested food. These are the villi, which are the functional unit for the absorption of the digested food in the small intestine. Next question, question number 16. In tooth, the hardest part is considered to be the enamel. Hardest part of the body is enamel, the outermost covering of the tooth. Next question, question number 17. Identify the type of the salivary gland out of the following. This is the option number C is correct answer. Sublingual is a type of salivary gland out of the following. Here the lacrimal gland, a Werner's gland, and as well as sublingual cone are another type of glands which are not salivary gland. Next question, question number 18. So, before discuss, we should know that sublingual is a type of the salivary gland. Now, question number 18. Emulsification is the function of the bile. Option number A is correct answer for the question number 18. Bile, which is secreted from the liver, which is the largest gland of the body, and bile is not a digestive enzyme, as you know and as I have discussed. And bile helps in the emulsification of the fat. These are the macromolecules which again come across in the contact of the enzyme lipase, and it converts it into fatty acids and glycerol, as you know. Next question, question number 19. The process of action of bile is called emulsification, as I have discussed before. Now the question number 20. Fat digestion is facilitated by the bile juice, which takes part in the emulsification of the fat. Then bile is a very important secretion from the liver. Now the question number 21. One of the digestive juices that lacks enzyme but its digestion is bile. Again, we have seen four types of questions which are based upon the bile. So, question, option number A is correct answer for the question number 21. Now, the question number 22. Bilirubin and bilirubin are bile salts. Bile salts. Now, the question number 23. Gallstone causes obstetric jaundice. Gallstone causes obstetric jaundice and gallbladder. It is concerned with the gallbladder, and gallbladder is present inside the liver, which is a storage of the bile. Now, question number 24. Which of the following organ is responsible for body metabolism? The liver is responsible organ for body metabolism. Question number 25. Which is the smallest gland in the human body? This is the pineal gland. Is the smallest gland in the human body, whereas the liver is the largest gland in the human body, or it is the largest internal organ, and it is the site of the bile secretion. It is the site of the body metabolism. It is the site of the vitamin A synthesis, and it performs the several functions. It is the organ in which the jaundice is caused. Now, the question number 26. Link between the living and non-living organism is virus. Viruses are the connecting link between the living and non-living organism. So, option number B is the correct answer for the question number 26. Next question, question number 27. Functional unit of DNA is gene. Gene. It is the unit of the heredity, and it is the functional unit of DNA, and DNA is the unit of, and DNA forms the chromosome. Chromosome is formed of DNA plus histone protein. You will have to remember. Now the question number 28, what is the chromosome number in the human body? It is the 46, whereas the number is half in the gamete, that is the sperm, and ovum, that is the 23 number of the chromosome is present in the sperm, and male as well as 23 number is present in the ovum of the female, and two come together to form a zygote. Then the chromosome number will be 46 in the zygote, as you know, and you should have to remember the fact. Now the question number 29, which cell organ is involved in the process of the protein synthesis? It is the ribosome, which is also known as the protein factory. Now the question number 30, which of the following organ is called the powerhouse of the cell? This is the mitochondria, which generate energy in the form of the ATP. It is the site of the cellular respiration, and it is very important for the energy generation, and also known as thermal power station, a biochemical machine, and so on. Now the last question of this video is question number 31, which cell organelle is called a suicidal bag, and this is the lysosome, which acts as the suicidal bag, and it has hydrolytic enzyme. When it dissolves or breaks, the hydrolytic enzyme digests the cell organelles, so it is known as suicidal bag. Now I am going to concluding the video. Thanks for watching. Good night.